Alright guys, hello. In this video I will show you iPhone 5C replica which comes from Priceangels. So first of all, the phone and the box arrives in such packaging, and this is the box of the phone itself. When you open it, the phone lays here, and below you can find some chargers, USB charger which is not here now, it's in my computer, and earphones with standard stereo jack. So that's the boxing of the phone. So let's go to the device itself. It's the more interesting part, I think. So this is the phone, this is the device itself. You see it's a blue one. Stands very stable in the hand, and basically feels like a very real phone, not a plastic copy. So here it did not come with a charge, so I need to charge it a bit in order to use it. So here we go, the phone. You can lock and unlock it from this button. So let's start viewing the phone itself. You can start with the control center. You have it just as in the real iPhone. So from here you can control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, control the brightness of the screen, and so on. Also you have AirDrop function, you have flashlight, and pretty much everything what the real iPhone has. Okay, so we can hide it. You also have the Android control center from here, sliding your finger upwards down. So you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth controller here, airplane mode, and so on. Also your Android notifications will be shown here. So how can you go back? Just press this button once. The phone runs Android OS, but has interface just as iOS. So the touchscreen, as you see, is very sensitive, very easy to work with it, and also it has a very high quality, very high resolution basically, just pretty much like on the real iPhone. Alright, what's more, the camera is designed like in the real iPhone, so here we go. You can take panorama photos and you can take video, and also you can use filters directly on the camera, so the result is visible immediately, and you can go back just pressing this button once. If you want to go to the task manager, you press this button twice and then close the apps as it is done in iOS 6. Okay, so you can, when you tap the App Store, you can access the Android App Store. So from here you can download any applications you want and any applications which are compatible with Android device. I have downloaded one game just to show you how smooth it runs. So here we go, Granny Run. Maybe you know this game, maybe not, but just to show you how smoothly it runs. You see the display is very clear and you can see the information on it from different angles without any problem. So you can start playing, and you can tilt your phone to control the game. You see it works without any problem, and as I said, the resolution is very high, not pixelated as in cheaper replica devices. You can go back. If you want to go to the menu, just press and hold the button for a second and you are at the home screen. Alright. What more? I can show you a phone test. This is another app I downloaded from the App Store. You can see the processor performance. There are two cores. I will run the test. I don't know what these results are, but they may be useful for somebody. If you go to memory, you have 32 gigabytes of external memory and about 90 gigabytes of internal memory, which is quite a lot. You can go back, and see, you can play some 3D games on it. You can test the 3D performance. Just give it a second to start the test. So here we go. These are the 3D results. What else about the ringtone? The ringtone is pretty much the same as it is in original iPhone. So from here you can go to it and change it if you want. Just increase the volume a bit, then go back to sounds, phone ringtone, and play it. You can see the sound is also very good in terms of quality. You have vibration and everything else you may need. From here on the left side of the phone you can see the volume controllers, and this button, it's not sliding as on the original iPhone, but when you press and hold it, it changes between silent mode and the normal mode. So just press and hold that tiny button here. Alright, let's now go to show you languages and the keyboard which are supported. So keyboards, you can use the following keyboards. You have Russian, you have Portuguese, Turkish, Netherlands, Italian, Spanish, English, German, and so on. Also, the language of the phone can be one of the following languages, pretty much the same languages as on the keyboard setting. So pretty much that's everything I can show you for now. You see, the design is just the same as it is on the real iPhone, but it is effectively an Android device. So that's everything from this test. In the description of the video you will find the links to buy this phone in different colors from Priceangels.com. So please go ahead and buy it. It's a very cheap phone, but very good per case. Thanks for your attention, guys. Please subscribe for my channel for more interesting and useful videos and tech reviews. Thanks again. Bye bye.